Watch this. I'm inside my InstantlyClaw dashboard right now. Step 1, deploy your OpenClaw in one click. I press deploy, 60 seconds, fully hosted, fully secured OpenClaw running on our cloud servers, not on my laptop, not on a Mac Mini, our cloud, done. Step 2, give it a real task. Now watch something no chatbot on the planet can do. Find 10 restaurants in Miami with under 4-star Google ratings. Pull their name, address, phone, and review link. Write a personalized reputation management pitch email for each one with a one-page PDF proposal attached. Then email each restaurant the pitch with the proposal. One message. That's it. Watch what happens. Step 3. Look at the results. Look at this. 10 real businesses with real contact info pulled from live websites. Personalized pitch emails referencing each restaurant's actual rating. A professional PDF proposal. And every email already sent to each restaurant with the proposal attached. That's a complete outreach campaign. Agencies charge $500 to $1,500 for that. OpenClaw did it from one sentence. Now try that with ChatGPT. Try Claude. They can't browse live websites, pull real business data, create PDFs, or send real emails. That's what makes OpenClaw a completely different category, and that's what InstantlyClaw gives you. And it doesn't stop there. Here's what you can build with your OpenClaw today. Content agency, $500 to $2,000 per month. Lead generation and outreach, $50 to $200 per list. Competitor intelligence reports, $500 to $1,500 each. Reputation management, $300 to $800 per month. SEO audits, $200 to $500 on Fiverr. Freelance fulfillment. OpenClaw handles the work. You deliver and collect. Quick math. 3 clients at $500 per month is $18,000 a year. 5 clients is $30,000. Your investment today, $37. Let me walk you through everything loaded inside your InstantlyClaw. Your OpenClaw is fully hosted. You don't touch a thing. One click and it's running on our cloud servers 24/7. No VPS, no Docker, no terminal, no Mac Mini. Other providers charge $72 to $300 per year for a blank install. Yours is included free, fully loaded, completely isolated and safe. Your OpenClaw runs in a sandboxed cloud container. Zero access to your personal computer, files, email, or bank accounts. Confirm before acting is on by default. It asks permission before sending emails, posting content, or taking any irreversible action. No rogue AI, no horror stories. You're always in control. Research and web tools, browser control for browsing live websites and pulling real data, real-time web search, social media monitoring, SEO research for rankings and audits. Communication tools, Gmail for sending and managing emails automatically. Google Calendar for scheduling, Voice Agent for speech to text on WhatsApp. Content and document tools, Google Docs and Sheets for report, a PDF creator for proposals and lead magnets, screenshot and OCR for extracting text from images, automation tools, cron jobs for running any task on autopilot, webhooks for connecting to Zapier, Make, and N8, and Link Tracker for campaign performance. Super Memory ties it all together. Your OpenClaw remembers your business, your clients, your brand voice, and gets smarter over time. Chat on Telegram, WhatsApp, or Discord, or use the full web dashboard. Your OpenClaw, your way, commercial rights included. Everything it produces is yours to sell. Client work, freelance gigs, monthly retainers, every output, 100% yours. Now, having a powerful OpenClaw is one thing. Knowing exactly how to turn it into money is another. That's why you're also getting my AI Agent Profits Bootcamp alongside InstantlyClaw. The exact playbook for landing your first paying client, how to give instructions that produce client-ready output, how to price services, how to close deals, paint by numbers. On top of that, 5 bonuses worth $75, 10 ready-made business prompts, packs with tested prompts and pricing for the most profitable niches, a commercial rights certificate, private community access, and a first client in 7 days quick start blueprint. You're not getting software and figuring it out on your own. You're getting the complete system to turn OpenClaw into a real business. Here's what I need you to understand about this offer. After this launch, InstantlyClaw moves to a monthly subscription. That's how every other OpenClaw provider works. Monthly fees forever. During this launch window only, you get in for a one-time price. And that price rises every few hours to reward the fastest action takers. Let me put this in perspective. Setting up OpenClaw with a specialist costs $150 to $400 per hour. A custom AI agent system runs $5,000 to $100,000. Even the basic hosting wrappers charge $72 to $300 per year for an empty install with nothing configured. You're getting a fully loaded OpenClaw, 15 connected skills, 12 months of cloud hosting, 2 months of free API, smart model routing, commercial rights, the training bootcamp, and $785 in bonuses. Not $5,000, not $500, not $100, $37. One time, not monthly, not yearly. One single payment and it's yours forever. Now, let me address the thing you might be thinking. Abhi, this sounds too good. What's the catch? There's no catch. We make money on this launch because thousands of people buy and a percentage upgrade to our advanced options. That's the business model. Your $37 gets you the complete system because we want you inside using it, seeing results, and telling your friends. That's worth more to us than charging you $25 a month. But this pricing only exists during launch week. Once the timer hits 0, InstantlyClaw becomes a monthly subscription just like every other provider. And the one-time option disappears permanently and you're protected. 14-day, no questions, money back guarantee. Deploy your OpenClaw. Give it real tasks. Run a lead generation campaign. Set up a cron job. Try the prompt packs. Put it to work for yourself or for a client. If within 14 days you're not completely blown away by what OpenClaw can do for you, just reach out for a full refund. You keep the training, you keep the prompt packs, we eat the cost. That's how confident we are. You're risking nothing. The only way to lose on this deal is to miss it. One last thing, OpenClaw isn't a trend. Websites changed business in the 2000s, social media in the 2010s. AI chatbots in 2023. Agentic AI is the next wave and OpenClaw is leading it. The people who move first always win. You've seen it happen. Right now for $37 one time, you get a fully loaded OpenClaw deployed in 60 seconds. Skills connected, hosting for a year, API credits, commercial rights, training, bonuses, everything you need to profit from the biggest AI shift since ChatGPT. I'm not asking you to decide yes or no. I'm asking you to make a fully informed decision. And the only way to do that is on the inside, not the outside. Press the buy now button below before the price increases. I'll see you on the inside.